Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today it's jump for the second episode of Google Chat application. In the previous video, I already sent to you, I already give you a tutorial how the way you can get a Google Chat application on your iPhone. But then today I will like to show you how the way you get started into the Google Chat application. First, after you got installed the application, I already mentioned that the application could resembles with this, so you just need to tap on it. And now you will see the first beginning of the Google Chat appearance. You'll see there is no button here, but this button on the bottom side. They'll be like get started. This is the only button that you can face right now. You just need to tap on it. And then they will bring you into the Google account that you have on your device. So they could be all of my account that I have. And now the next thing you need to do is just choose what or which account that you want to use to log in into Google Chat. So basically Google Chat is sync with the Google account. So you just need to pick one of the address and then tap into the button to turn it on, and then you just need to tap into done options right here, and then you just need to click allow. And now you're already logged in into your Google Chat. And this is for today's tutorial. If you're wondering how the way you can chat or start the message with the Google Chat, please just check into the next video on this channel. And don't forget to leave some comments if you wonder about other tutorials so we can prepare it for you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video and thank you.